guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mika, and today, yes, I'm talking about Crayola Gel Markers. They are in every way the same exact thing as the Crayola Bro tips that you already know and most likely love. I truly love Crayoligraphy. So the trick with these ones is that you see the ink appear before you. It's like magic, yay! So I'm really enjoying these markers. I love the effect they give. I've been lettering on their paper all these days since I got them in the mail because I can't stop. My inner child is super pleased. I know the pigmentation, as you can see in the screen, is not all the colors are what you would expect. Like that green could be greener, but look at the purple, it's gorgeous. So yeah, I got my favorite shades of it. I am surprised by the white. It's so cool and it looks like a chalk effect to it. So it's really nice. I love it. Now the pink, it could be pinker, to be honest. Sometimes I pass the marker twice on the same spot to see if I get a better color payoff. So the pigmentation with some of the colors, it makes me wish it were better. Probably they are gonna make it better later. They should add more colors. Like this set has no orange. The gray is cool, it's fine, it's like a bluish gray. Now this is my disappointment of the pack. Look at the yellow. That's not yellow. It's like, oh gosh, it's like it's trying to be yellow. Like I'm gonna be no, I can't be. So you see, it's a weird dirty white. So that yellow is killing me. But that's the only color that I can stand in this pack of markers, honestly. Yellow is a very important color for me because I love lettering with yellow, and this one, well, you already saw. The magenta is gorgeous too. So these are the colors. My camera settings were as true to real life as possible. I didn't tweak anything. So what you see is what you get. And the paper, for those who are curious, is regular cardstock. Cars, blah. You know what I try to say, right? Cardstock paper. Like, it's not the smoothest of them all, but it's working just fine. So I decided to eat the letter O in choose because, you know, I was hungry. So forgive my typos. And this is a side-by-side comparison of some of the colors. You can see the colors on the left are brighter than the colors on the right. The color in the ink is not exactly the same as the color in the cap. That's really misleading. That's something else I don't like. So for fun, I give it like 5 stars. But technically speaking, for quality, I give it 3 because it could be better. So that was it for today, guys. Let me know if you like these markers, if you have tried them, if you would like to try them. What were your impressions about them? I'm telling you, they are fun, but many people would be missing like pigmentation in them. So also, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up to know that you like it and to keep me inspired, you know, and leave your comments below. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching and see you on the next.